I did go ahead and grease up the bearings here, cleaned them up, greased them up. I did replace the O-ring here and the O-ring on the end of the shaft down there, but you can't see. I had to stretch this O-ring, had to get it up over this and stretch it up over this piece right here to get it to go into place. Make sure all this is in frame. Yeah, I think we're good to go here. Yeah, I had to bring that O-ring right here that I replaced up and over. It is a 3-331. If you're going by the AS568 standard, it is a -331. I did a 75 durometer, just like it said in the book. 2 1/4 inside diameter by 2 5/8 outside diameter, 3/16 cross section. For both this one and the one on the end of the shaft.